A good way to start your day. That works for me. I don't know about you. And when I have a good bath, I feel alive, I feel awake, feel rejuvenated. I feel like new ideas have space to pop into my head. So this is just me doing my skincare routine. You can check my other videos and you'll find it somewhere down in the description, in the under my videos. Sorry, I'm still literally trying to see how best to attach other videos on my channel, but I'm doing my best and you guys should bear with me. So these guys are just here chilling, while me I'm getting ready. I literally have just like 10 minutes or 5 minutes to prepare. So that's the dress I'll be wearing today. I love this dress. I got this dress off of Shein. It was very affordable and the fit is good. The first time I tried wearing it to church, I couldn't because then my baby was still breastfeeding very actively, so I just didn't want to. I wanted to save myself the stress of having to like take down my dress or zip down and struggling to breastfeed, because he doesn't really like the bottle anymore. So yeah, that's just me straightening out this hair. This is a glueless wig I got from Face Mode Hair on Amazon. You can check the link in my link tree in my bio and it will take you to my Amazon storefront. You find the wig there. It's from Face Mode Hair. It's a 14 inches wig, and if you use the link there to purchase the hair, I'll earn commission. Thank you very much. Before I start doing my makeup, I like to spray my face, like literally drench it, and give it a few seconds to like just dry out a little bit so it's moisturized. And this method I'm using today is just like a one-way thing. Apply my concealer, my contour, my foundation, and some people even go ahead to apply their blush before blending everything together. Since I had just like 5 to 10 minutes to do this, so I just had to apply everything at once and the look was coming together. At this point my husband was already calling my name. This is me trying to use the foundation to just blend, apply setting powder, and I never think my look is complete until I use some eyeliner to like golden my eyes. It's just ordinary powder I'm using to set my lid space, and then use a lighter powder like to show like eyeshadow. I even forgot to tame my brows or laminate them or draw them, whatever. I just had my brows like that because I had have them like 2 days before now, so it was still giving what I wanted it to give. And don't forget mascara, and it smudged because I was in a hurry, so I had to try to clean it up. My eyes were watering and all. I basically just sprayed my face and forgot blush, so I went ahead to apply blush on top of all that chaos. Put on my shoes. This is my feet. I'll show you a clearer picture in just a second. That's me in natural lighting. That's my purse and my shoes and my dress. So this was me after mass. I was trying to get a video to see if but people were passing by. I was shy and I just did that, and that was it. So we got home, got undressed and all of that. Then we went to get food later in the day. This is a buffet place. We've been here several times, but we try to cook our food most of the time at home, so it's been a while we came here and it was a good time. It's always a good time coming here. They have a lot of varieties. This is like the best buffet place I know of here in Clemson. So if you're looking for a good buffet place, this is it. What's the name? I think it's Hibachi Japanese and something buffet. I'll find out the name and put it there somewhere. We passed this place we were looking to sit before, but when we went in there were like a lot of people, so we had to come back to this table we considered before. And little man was not having it. He was hungry. My husband had gotten his food. I'll show you his food in a bit. I came to get mine and film to show you guys the lots of varieties they have here. They have like 3 rows filled with food, and then the 4th row has like fruits and dessert and kimchi. Is it kimchi? What, sushi and gimbap, all the typical Asian foods that people are used to eating here. But I don't do those stuff. They have ice cream and all down there, but I didn't go there. I like this forgotten what this is called. It's a kind of fish. I like how it tastes. It's really good. So I like this. I took the plantain and just basically watch what I take. And this is just me trying to balance with vegetables what I have taken. Mushrooms are really good, and they make really nice mushrooms here. They also have like a mushroom soup, which I've tried once, but I mean, I'm not much of a mushroom person, so I just try to eat healthy, but basically I had a lot of protein and carbs in my plate. At this time, little man was already eating, and he was so happy with the rice noodles. He was eating and dancing. So yeah, I went to get my food, and yup, that was my husband's plate. I actually filmed that before going to get my food, and this was my food after I came. I didn't film when we went to get dessert and fruits afterwards, but it was getting late. We just had to go back home after eating because we had work to do. I needed to rest. At this time, I don't think I was feeling so good this day. If you hear my voice from the voiceover, you know I'm not feeling too well. Having catarrh, sore throat, but I'm better today. So that's why you guys haven't seen my post in a while. So just enjoy the rest of the video and Hopefully I'll be uploading a makeup video for you guys soon to continue our beginner tutorial series. Sorry, why am I saying serial? Alright, take care. Have a good day. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe if you've reached this point of watching. I'm really grateful. Thank you for hanging out with me and staying put. And I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.